Welcome to Beautyistic, where we dive into the latest and greatest in grooming essentials. Today we're looking at the Beard Trimmer 21-piece all-in-one men's grooming kit, an impressive multifunctional device that promises to be your all-in-one grooming solution. This kit aims to handle everything from your beard and mustache to nose hair and body grooming needs, and it comes loaded with 21 pieces of grooming versatility. Let's begin with the product overview. The kit includes 6 interchangeable heads designed for various grooming needs. Whether it's trimming your beard, touching up your mustache, grooming body hair, or even those pesky nose and ear hairs. The blades are crafted from self-sharpening stainless steel, offering longevity and keeping their sharpness for a consistent trimming experience. The device also includes combs with a variety of length settings, from 3 mm up to 19 mm, allowing for precise customization of hair length to suit your look. Additionally, the dual-speed motor gives you control over your grooming experience, making it easy to handle both fine trimming and heavy-duty cutting with coarse hair. Using the trimmer is refreshingly simple. The ergonomic non-slip handle provides great control, making it suitable for wet use in the shower as well as dry grooming. One of the standout features is the waterproof design. It makes cleaning the trimmer quite easy. A simple rinse under the tap and it's ready to go. Setting up is straightforward too, thanks to the charging dock and USB charging cable. The LED display adds a nice touch, always showing the battery level, which means you're never caught off guard with a dead trimmer. In terms of performance, the dual speed settings are a big plus. If you're tackling dense beard growth, the higher speed setting powers through the bulk effortlessly, while the slower speed works perfectly for more precision-based touch-ups. The trimmer does run quietly, which makes the grooming experience more comfortable without the usual loud buzzing. Plus, the adjustable comb attachments allow you to achieve detailed trimming or go for a slightly longer length, which adds to the versatility for both facial and body grooming. There are a few distinct pros that deserve a shout-out. The waterproof nature and non-slip handle make it highly practical for those who prefer shaving in the shower. The trimmer also offers a long-lasting battery life. Hours of runtime ensure that even with frequent use, you won't be reaching for the charger too often. It's also compact and comes with a well-designed storage case, which is perfect for travel. On the downside, the charging setup requires a USB port, and it doesn't include a wall adapter, which can be a slight inconvenience for some users. Furthermore, the plastic attachments, while functional, may not be the most durable in the long run compared to metal ones. Compared to similar grooming products, such as the Philips Norelco Multi-Groom Series 7000, this grooming kit holds its own well. Both trimmers come with a comprehensive set of attachments, but the Norelco 7000 has smart beard sense technology that can sense beard density and adjust power accordingly, which this kit lacks. However, for those looking for a more budget-friendly option, this 21-piece trimmer kit still delivers great versatility and performance without going into the higher price ranges of premium grooming kits. Is it worth your money? I'd say this grooming kit offers solid value, particularly for those looking for an affordable all-in-one grooming tool that handles different trimming jobs effectively. The combination of waterproof capability, a variety of attachments, long battery life, and an easy-to-use design makes it a practical choice. However, if you're after extra precision features or premium build quality, you may want to consider the Philips Norelco Multi-Groom Series 9000, which offers a few more high-end features, albeit at a higher price point. Speaking of build quality, the stainless steel blades feel robust, and the self-sharpening feature keeps them effective without any maintenance. The trimmer itself feels sturdy, though the plastic combs could be a bit more durable. User-friendliness is another highlight here. The design is simple and intuitive, making it ideal even for grooming novices. The attachments snap on and off with ease, and the LED display is a thoughtful addition for battery tracking. There's little to no learning curve, making it accessible for all users. For real-world testing, I've taken this trimmer through both daily beard trimming and tackling some thicker body hair, and it performed admirably. The dual speed setting is genuinely useful, and the blades glide smoothly through different types of hair. The water-resistant design means it also works well as part of your shower routine, adding that much-needed convenience. If you found this review informative, go ahead and hit that like button, subscribe to the channel, and click on the bell icon for more reviews. It's a small action that makes a big difference in helping us bring you more great content. In conclusion, the Beard Trimmer 21-piece all-in-one grooming kit is a versatile and capable trimmer set that offers a lot of value. It's great for those wanting an affordable solution that can do it all: beard, body, and everything in between. While the build quality could be better with the plastic attachments, and the lack of a wall charger might be a slight inconvenience, it still delivers where it counts, making it a solid pick for everyday grooming needs. If you're looking for a more premium experience, however, you might want to check out other options like the Philips Norelco 9000. To wrap up, thank you so much for watching today's review. You can find a link to this trimmer in the description box below. If you have any questions about the product, or if you've used it yourself, drop a comment. I'd love to hear your thoughts. Stay tuned to Beautyistic for more insightful product reviews.